Okay, so I'm making a pork roast for my son. Okay, so I'm making a pork roast for him. He called and wanted me to cook him some dinner, so I'm making a pork roast for my son. All right, so what I have in here is I put all the onions that I had in the house: green onion, red onion, white onion, all of it, because I'm trying to get rid of my onions. I had too many onions in the fridge and I didn't want them to go to waste. And then I put one jalapeno pepper in there, you guys, but I didn't cut it. I just put the whole jalapeno pepper in there. Okay, and then I season it with some onion powder, garlic powder. It's gonna let it slow cook, okay, until it's ready. And then I'm gonna add some carrots and potatoes at the end when it's fully cooked. I'll add the potatoes and the carrots, which I'll cook my potatoes and carrots in another pot, and then I'll add them to this afterwards because it's fully loaded already. Okay, I'll show you the finished results when I'm done. Okay, so this is the pork roast that I'm making for my son in my slow cooker. Okay, all right, that's the slow cooker. Okay, so my pork roast is done. Okay, I put it on before I went to sleep tonight. And then, okay, what time was that when I went to sleep? Okay, so it's been cooking for at least 4 hours. So now it's ready in my slow cooker with my pork roast. Okay, so what I'm doing now is getting some of the broth from the pork, and I'm putting it in this bowl right here. And I added some flour and cornstarch and mixed it with this. Mix this together. Make a thick broth. I'm making it, and then I'm gonna pour this back in the pot to make all of the broth thicker. I think that's a piece of onion or something right there. Okay, once you get it thick, those are onions, I think, big pieces of onion also I put in here. Okay, so now I'm gonna add it back to the pot. Okay, so just grab this, just add it back to the, oh, hold on. Okay, that's all I'm doing right now. Then I'm gonna get my vegetables. First, I'm gonna mix this really good. Okay, so now I'm gonna get my vegetables, you guys, that I already cooked because I just wanted this process to move along faster. So I'm gonna get my vegetables now. They're already cooked, and add to this. Okay, so hold on. Okay, so here are my vegetables. Okay, so I cooked my carrots, Okay. I just added some parsley and some salt to my carrots. Okay, so they're ready. I'm gonna put those over there in my pork roast. Okay, and then I made my potatoes. So you see, I chopped them up, but not too little and not too big. Okay, so those are the potatoes. So now I'm gonna grab these vegetables and add them to the pork roast. Okay. Okay, so let's add some carrots. Okay, now I'm gonna add some potatoes. Okay. And get some parsley. Just 1 minute. Okay, now I'm gonna add some parsley. Okay. Give it a little added color to it with the parsley. Okay, guys. Now I'm just gonna put the lid back over it, let it simmer a little more, and the roast is ready. The pork roast is ready. So I'm gonna let it simmer for a few more minutes, about another few minutes, to get the sauce a little thicker, okay? So I'm just putting the lid back on, you guys. Just let it cook for a little bit more, a little while longer, okay? And I'm using my Hamilton Beach slow cooker, okay? Okay, a few more minutes and it's done. Okay, you guys, it's ready. It's all done. Sorry about that. Okay, here we go. So look, all done. I gotta start using my slow cooker more. Or crock pot. What is this, a slow cooker or crock pot? Okay, whatever it is, I gotta start using it more. Okay. Okay, the meat is right here, you guys. Let me show you if I can lift it up a little bit. Okay, see? That's the pork roast. It's in there. It's kind of big, but it's in there. It's nice and juicy. That's the pork roast, okay? Delicious. Okay, all done. All right, so now I need to take me some thumbnail photos and get it ready to take to my son. He's gonna be so happy. Okay, look. Look at that. Ooh, delicious. Okay. All right, you guys, so that's it. This is my pork roast in the slow cooker or crock pot. Okay. And there you have it. Okay. That. That's the pork roast right there. Okay. All right, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Thank you. Okay, let me pack this for my son. Maybe I'll just take the whole pot with me, huh? Okay. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Okay, you guys, and I couldn't resist. I have to try it before I take it over. So good. Look at that. Let me just show you how the meat turned out. Look at that. So nice and tender. Ooh, see? Oops, let me focus the camera. See, that's how the meat looks. Nice and tender. Look there. Fall off the bone. Okay, guys, so this is a nice slow cooker or crock pot recipe for you guys. Okay. All right. It's delicious. Okay, guys. See you on the next one.